I'm Rachel Fifield and I'm the Socio-Economic Development Officer in Reefton. Reefton was born on gold. It's a small mining town that's inland on the west coast, and its economic stability has basically gone up and down regarding mining. It's a thriving little community. It's a really cool little place to come. I do everything that is community focused and socio and economic development for this region. And I've worked with a load of different departments and agencies and mana whenua with Ngāti Waewae, and business, new development, new business, community projects, right down to sports equipment. So it's very diverse. 3 weeks ago I put through a $250,000 application for sport, art, recreational. It's a program that's absolutely brilliant, and that is now in the process of being looked at by lotteries. There's bringing certain services to town, like the dental bus and a physiotherapist. The community benefit from that. We didn't have that before. They're the social things that have been standouts, but when I look at some of the individual projects, they've been immense. They've been assisting people in start-up businesses, and that has had a roll-on impact for the town. Well, I was managing the Reefton Visitor Centre and had quite a lot to do with OceanaGold, and so I jumped it at the chance and got the role. It's had a massive impact on our community for 3 years, and the role was supposed to finish, and everyone went, no, you've got more to do. So we applied to the Lotteries Grants Board, and they funded my role for half of the next year, and OceanaGold funded the second half. So I've done 4 years. People's views change because of the interaction and the community engagement that a large mining company actually has with the community. And that's been part of my role, is to actually change that mindset, which is great because people are actually endorsing mining and the good practices that we actually have on the coast. I think I've been quoted that every single mining company should have to, I hate the word mandate, but they should be mandated to do exactly what OceanaGold have done. Every mining company in the world, because this restoration is world class, and what it is it's now it's an environmental gold tick for this area, but it's put Reefton as the leading restoration in the world. If I was going to talk to another mining company that was going to start mining in a rural town like Reefton or anywhere, I would tell them to model their whole mining process on what OceanaGold have done. When the mine site's handed back to the Department of Conservation in 2025, I'd love to see that people can either ride up or walk up from town to site, or they catch a shuttle and actually be able to go around and see and ride and walk around the whole of the mine site and see what world-class restoration looks like.